feel like I sound and look crazy pants because I'm talking to myself, but I'm not. I'm talking to the camera. Do they know that? No, they don't know that. It's Ashleigh, and welcome back to Hello Sparkles. Am I being really quiet? Yes, because I am standing outside looking a little pretty, filming in front of my whole neighborhood. You know, my whole neighborhood, but I'm always scared somebody's going to be out here. So hey, hi, hello, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Ashleigh, and welcome to the Crafting Coven. Subscribe if you haven't already, because I know you're going to love my content. And why am I holding these, you ask? Because today we are going to zip tie some tree limbs to some rebarb. Yep, that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to use some tree limbs that I had cut down from the tree. Did I have it cut down from a tree, or did they break? I don't know. But they were cut off a tree we had broke and cut down at the same time. I had both happen out of my backyard, and I've been we haven't burned them because we live out, where we can do that kind of thing. I was like, oh, I can use these as my archway for my cemetery I use, because usually I take pool noodle and make pool noodle, if I can say that word, and make it look like it's vines and tree limbs anyways. I have tree limbs now. Why not just use them and hoard onto them more? Because why not? My husband will love that. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to go collect that, zip tie it. I'm hoping this is going to be enough because I can't find the gigantic zip ties. I might have to take a trip to the Dollar Tree. Do I look my greatest today? No, but that's okay. It's fine because we're outside and it's like 50 million degrees. It's going to get up to, I think, 90 something today. It started off at like 50 and now it's going to get to 90. So yeah, it's currently 87 degrees and it's already really hot. Okay, let's go do this. Oh, there's like a sticker bush. Ah! We're pretty good for the top. Put it there so you don't get into it. No, get down, leave it. I'm not getting these for you. I'm not getting these for you. I'm getting them for me. They're not for you. No. Theodore, if I get hit with your stick, yeah, look at that one. It's good for the top. Ooh, that's a good one. Okay, so I have to find something that's taller than me, because I am only 5 foot. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get that out. Oh, it's got a lot of... But look how gnarly. Oh, man. Look, Theo. You don't get away from my phone. Ow! Theodore! That's fine. Stop saying the wrong ankle on it. That's nice. Oh, yeah. Hey, you need to take a breather. Ooh. Look at how cool. Ah! I've had these rebarbs up since last Halloween. My neighbor put them in my yard for us, and we've just left them because they're a pain to get in and out. So we might as well just leave them, because why not? I have these rocks down here which you can't see. Oh, look at that. Ta-da! It's like magic. Okay, one of those will not fit. It's too small. So 2 will have to do. Can you just chill like that for a minute, please? Mr. Stick. Mr. Stick. Chill like that. While I get you situated. So we get strong winds here. And if this swings around the wrong way, the whole thing will fall and take everything out. And we do not want that. Nope, nope, nope. This one's going to take 3 to go around it each. What I'm doing is I am just looping them in until they click. Oops, until they click. You can hear it. Yep. And then I'm just stopping. And I'm doing the same thing. They click. Oh, that scared me. And then I'll wrap it around and do the same thing and then pull it evenly all the way around. It's a big boy. Pull it as tight as you can until it stays. And then you want to balance it out. And I have a nice 6 over the top at least. That's my base. I gotta make sure that it's nice and secure. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to get more. We might need to take a trip to the Dollar Tree. This has a lot more stability because it's got the curves. This is way more straight up and down, which is cool. Both of them are cool. I wish that was more stable. But these other sticks. This is going to be my longest one. That's too short. I need the height. Sorry, Benji, you have your ladder. Things I don't like, heights. Because it's perfect for me. And probably perfect for small children, not for anybody else. Heck of it. That's what I needed to do. Things I hate, heights. Things I really hate, heights. Things I really, really, really fucking hate, heights. Oh my god, this is gonna fall. Oh. This is not gonna fit. I need one more. Just one more. Okay. Let's go. I have acquired visit dies. Multiple of visit dies. Great. Oh, I want to use these tails. Go around that. Oh yeah, perfect. No, I'm back here. I actually used this string on another project I had. I took it apart. We used to use it for our Christmas trees, our rustic Christmas tree we have in our front yard. I'm not good at this, so okay. I'm really hating this hype business. I mentioned that. I need to go get my lighter and seal this, but I'll do that in a minute. I'm not going to do that right now. Oh yeah, that's good. My handiwork there. It's my messy handiwork there. These sticks. The zippy ties, and I will go back and cut it off. So I'm not going to keep that fence up. That was just a trial I was testing out. This is basically what I'm going to have for my archway for now. I'm going to add more later, but this is just to start. I will go through and cut these off. I have to reinforce these. That's how they're attached to the rebarb. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment what you loved about it down below. Don't forget to become a Crafty Coven member while subscribing again. And yeah, I hope you guys all have a wonderful day. Bye!